Good morning, class. To the school where we joke. And I must acknowledge that I haven't been the best teacher to you. In all honesty, I have failed you. The GDE wants to scrap maths from the school. They don't believe that you have the potential. They don't believe that you can pass. They think that we are hopeless. I don't believe that. I look around this class and all I can see is potential to do better. Hey, kids, I am here and I am willing to teach you. All I ask of you is that you're ready to learn. Shall we begin?
Thandekayo, it is true that circumcision can decrease the chances of getting an infection. Hey. However, people do it for personal reasons and cultural reasons.
Ma'am, bengicela ukubuza ma'am ukuthi vele manga circumcise ma'am iba incane. O mhlambe meme icherry yami ngizoyigitaza.
Inzolo bathandekayo, inzolo nzanilinda bona nje.
Inkinga meme sifuna ukwazi ngoba isanoku.
To answer your question, circumcision does not change the size or the feeling that a man has. Now, has anybody heard the word drop? Hello. Ithini kayika into yalamntana usenzo?
Usenzo. Hayi, udlalele kude ke apha ngikukhuleke.
Usho. Xa ndimjonga mna khayele ngathi ngabantwana abakhule kabuhlungu ukuzifunela attention nje apha esikolweni.
Cala kahle akukhuluma nahle. Yazi kaloku wena unalento yapha ufuna ubona the God in everyone.
Kanti ngiqeshelwe ntoni sana?
Ndiya understand. Kodwa yazi bomini bakhona abantu abayilento bayiyo. And futhi soze bakwazi utshintsha. Usenzo ke ngomnye wabantu.
Uyazi ba abantwana sibancamayo ekwangabo abaphumelelayo. Lo mntana ufuna nje umuntu ozamthemba amguide.
Hayi, awazi kwa usenzo ke wena ke.
Yazi wathi qinga lo mntana kwi-top 10.
Usenzo. Mr. Kuju?
Yes.
Uthi uhle singathi qingo senzo eku-top 10.
Uba. Emhlaba uyakizwa lento. Hayibo, mahle. Usenzo.
Kodwa ke yazi manthini mandithi teacher ngamnye une project yakhe. Wena ke good luck ngale yakho. Usenzo ku-top 10. Hayibo. Oh, thank you.
Which is how we solve for X. So, where's the answer?
X, Y, Z. Indaba kabani? Hey yini? Ichandisi yokushuna i-emails lena ngeke izisise.
Zaken! This is my classroom. I won't tolerate any disrespect. If that's the way you feel, you can get out.
Pleasure. Don't matter. Hey, I'm the teacher. Yeah, I see potential. Bekakuphi lo teacher sonke lesikhathi, eh? Bekuphi uthisha? Hayi.
Don't you dare step outside that door.
Or what? Wena zolo lokhu ubusy la uhleli senze noma yini la phambi kwakho ngoba usabhizi unesana nelokuzana nesihlamahlama sakho njengoba sekuthanda wena sufuna sikhuphula amasokisi yabo kwenza ubumisele ngokuthi thina siphasa uzoyimisela the will misela ngakho etshwaleni iklasi leli ngabela phasa and yazi in class lo ubulala usele uprincipal Julius.
Get out! If there's anyone who feels like Zakele, you're welcome to join him. Anyone.
Kanene ubuthe uthisha ntoni? Oh, hayi. Hayi ungabna worry. Inye nje qha into efuneka enzile, just deposit the 20,000 and then I will get the process started and get you in. Yeah. All right. Legazi.
My favorite principal.
Am I?
Iphathele indaba ezimnandi.
Okay.
Lawa ke ama projections ezimali fanele silindeleke mangabe khishwe maths. Lalela ke. Yabona ke ithenda ngoba nizothola abantu esibaziyo. Kusho ukuthi mina nawe sobe siyisikela nje ngokhathi. Left, right and center. Uyayizwa lonto?
Oh my word. You know what? I am going to buy a new house Costani City.
German cars. Deben July. Yes. For pipe convoy. Baba. Uyabona ke leli ithicket lami lonke ne20.
Yes.
Yominglisha labantu abaphezulu ke manje. Abidlalo.
Yes. Abo Keda, abo comrade, abo commander in chief.
You can do this, guy. You can do this. You do not need a drink. You do not need a drink. It's only 12. You do not need a drink. You can do this. Come on, guy.
Wena.
All right, guys. Who's got number 6? 6, come on. Number 6. Well, come on up here. All right, who's number X? Balwa, please, up here. Come on up here. Okay, now, careful. Right next to the X over there.
Okay.
Okay, folks. Now, we need a 3. Mr. 3.
It's too late.
3.
I get that. Interactive learning esetshenziswa kwezinye private schools. U-engage e-learners bayafunda whilst you also physical activity. But ke nawe babona abantwana baya-engage, they're having fun whilst they're learning. It's really the best way to engage learners.
Solve for X, correct?
Like I said,
So what?
late.
Divided by 3.
Too late.
is
Too late for Matty.
so sorry.
Poor Matty. It's gone. It's gone.
Ngisho kokugqibela anizange ngiqaphele into engaqhelekanga ngelalanga. Kodwa ke ikhona indoda ezobona inqununu nayo.
Okay.
Kwaye ayizange ikhangeleke ityhilekile xa ihambayo.
Manje awusho unayo mhlawumbe incwadi obhalwe kuyona abantu abangenayo namaphumayo ama-visit.
Oh, ikhona.
Yes. Tshentshi. Tendo. Hawu thina mfundini. Akho registration number apha ne-phone number kanti
Mhlekazi. Ndingunogada apha. Alo police. I-register leyo affidavit. Uthena zibhaqa ntyumba-ntyumbeka kwinkundla zamatyala. Ndizumsebenzi endiqashelweyo apha.
Hayi. Ndiyabonga mfundini. Uphinde bonane. Ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho.
Lungile mhlekazi.
Now it makes sense. Your behavior has been off lately. Your marks have dropped, and it's all because of this.
Listen.
Is this the kind of future you want? Look, you've got such great potential, and you're throwing it down the drain. Sakele, you have a bright future ahead of you. All you need to do is just focus.
All I need to do is ngiphasa imath, ngibe ne-degree ngifane nawe.
Sakele.
Angifuni ngifane nawe. No,
Sakele.
No. Uthisha ohloniphekile, osmart, osebenza ngokuyikhandla. Kodwa njengoba ustrikile ngale addict yakho, angikwazi ukubuyela kuwena. Because no, awusenamfazi. Soon uzokulahlekelwa umsebenzi. Manje ngizobukela kanjani kuwena? And ngicela ngicela ungangilecture.
You're right. I don't want you to turn out like me. Had I allowed myself to talk to somebody, I wouldn't be here. Sakele, talk to me. What's happening with you?
Fine. You're taking some drugs. But like I said, it's a quality.
How much?
1.5.
I want you to promise me that you won't mess around with the Zenzo ever again. I'll take care of that when I promise. Okay. Now go.
Yo, andifuni ukuxokisa iyandimangaza indlela abalezi ngakhona abantwana. Senzo. Ndicela umsizothi.
Intoni mama ngobe ndisengxakini?
Intoni ntana uqele? Akho sengxakini. Kodwa ke ndikubhaqile.
Mama uthetha ngantoni?
Into yakho yozenza isitudio eklasini after school uleqana namajero ayizonsebenzela Senzo. Naxa ndikujongile ndibona usenza ukuhle. Senzo indoda ikrele enekambe elihle. Xa uyika. Loo nto iza kulibazisa le nto yoperformela iitshomi zakho. Ndifuna ukugoduke uyicingisisele indlela. Mhlawumbi ngenye imini uzawubuya ube yiyonyani le ndoda ndiyibonayo apha kuwe. You're smart. You're passionate. You have so much potential. Uthembile man. Nazongibuqinisa ne?
Gents, we know the situation's bad, but all is not lost. We can still turn this around. We just need to work a little harder.
Harder, banaba.
Ayikho point ayo yonke lento le. Abantwana abadoma ayikho into esingayenza ukubashintsha thina. Babadoma ngisho.
Oh, Badom.
Yeah.
Badom.
Yes.
All right. Let's see you write the very same papers we give to the kids. I get a Badom.
Yazi inkinga yami yamehlo. And besides, yazi ukuthi mina ngifundisa geography ngiyenzani lento le.
But I'm willing to help you. The better you understand it, the better they will.
Hey, ulukile he. Ngoba nilething, a little training never hurt anybody.
Sorry guys, just give me a minute. I'll be right back. Relax. I'm not here to fight.
Oh, what do you want, Bedir? Because now you are knocking on my window like this. It's after school.
This is the money Zakhele owes you. Meaning you have no more business with him. You leave him alone from now on. Understood? Understood.
Understood. Asithembe ukuthi yabona lo Zakhele nyana wakho lo uzodlalela lekudeni nama high grade. Ayekele ukuqhamukela endabeni esingamfuni. Okuzosho. Thank you so much, Mr. Sam. Have a great day. Bona awukezokuthanda. Ma'am. Hawu mem wami wonke nje we high grade ezithola sekahambela ngeni. Uyapi mem?
Hey, angiyiqheli wethu le ndawo ngoku kwele taxi wrong kwafuna indishe endleleni. Ngibele erenkeni.
Hawu, ulahleke nje uyerenkeni. Uya kuphi?
Bheke West.
West? Hayi kanti ke khuleka nami nje umbombo ndiujongise West. Ongasike nje uthi cu ndizokubeka ngeway.
Uqinisekile?
Yeah.
Hayi, uthi usenze kwakhona?
Ngiyakutshela. Stop.
Okay.
Ndikubambele lezi.
Sahlele eze-back seat ne.
Okay. Awuveke.
Kwasike seat.
Eke man.
Senzo. Khona ndaba ungigqitha kuwe? Noba sekuthiwa ndizazi izinto azikhose West.
Hayi, kanti ke khulileka wena mama. Ngithe yabona uma singaphuma nje shawo umoya mina nawe. Sayekela ukuprethendelana. Asithi nje. Yabona indlela ongibheke ngayo namhlanje nendlela okhuluma ngayo nami.
Wenza nto?
Ivele yami thena one. Hayi khulileka. Akunalutho engiyenzayo ukuthi nje
I think un-misunderstanding.
Intoni engxaki yakho wena? uqonda ukuba ngiboni phaya eklasini uthetha ngesi-circumcision ulangazelelele le nto ngepheshini. Kanti-ke khululeka ngine-energy yobusuku bonke mina.
Senzo nje. Senzo. Senzo.
Ungaloyiki.
Senzo.
Relaxa.
Senzo. Senzo nje. Ngumntana into yiyo.
Umntwana. Asifisi kangakanani.
Sithando sam, ndibuyile. Baby.
Wenzani?
Ithanda documents esikolo sifuna ntoni? Uyazi uba ndim nje umphathi we-LTSM.
Kutheni ulibele bandimi principal? Makusole. These documents are private and highly confidential. Imvume yokuramesha through izinto zami uyithatha phi? Ndikuthembe kanjani ke ngoku? Iphi inhlonipho apho?
Ndaxolisa sithando sami besisebhedini ndacinga uba mandi.
Ingaqala apho. Khawungiqalisa kwaucinga. Thini madoda? Angikwazi nokuhlamba. Vumbula into zami.
As we all know that we are battling porn addiction. We are also battling shopping addiction. We also have things that we cannot really talk to each other right now about. So what's important is that we take the first step. Yes. Well, we do notice that we do have a new face with us here today. Right, we would appreciate if you could tell us what brought you here tonight.
Good evening. Hi, my name is Samuel Paleng.
Samuel?
And I am an alcoholic. It's barely been 48 hours, and this is hard.
Spread your wings and fly. Ilula lendlela, my dog. Masekolo when anything is possible. Black community.